So you just got a gimbal and you want some new creative ideas to use the gimbal with some creative gimbal movements. This video is for you. We're gonna go through 5 gimbal movements that are really gonna upgrade your game. So let's just watch the video first of all.
I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Can I feel your kryptonite?
So one thing I noticed, I shot this with my Canon 24-105 and I did not put a ND filter on there first of all. So I was outside during the day. So that is something that I definitely would change if I was to do this footage again. I was using a 24-105 f4 lens, so my aperture only went down to f4. I did another video in the fall last year where I did a cool video and I used a 50mm 1.8 and the background was way better in that. Having the aperture and having the blurry background really makes a huge difference in the quality of your footage. I did like a full circle around the subject, which is my wife. So I started on one side and then I transferred all the way over to the other. And then I also included a double take, so I took 2 shots. I was thinking about creating extra movement and really utilizing the smooth footage you get from a gimbal. So now the second shot I was focused on showing the background and then having my subject come in from the side. So this was kind of cool just to start myself moving and then the subject beating me, and then I could eventually come behind the subject. Now this just creates some more movement. Now the foreground and the background, right, is all Sarah, right? So she's in the back, she's blurry, she comes into focus, and then she jumps up and I get another camera angle there just to keep it entertaining and keep the shot going because it is slow motion. This one was fun because we were thinking about different moves to do and we're like, what can we do? And we thought it'd be cool to have this subject jump over the camera. And this was cool because it just created a different perspective and created something that you're not usually used to seeing, right? Like if I'm just standing and I'm looking around, that's what every person sees all the time, but no one is lying on the ground all the time. For this, I was using the Weebill S and I put it on sport mode or go mode, and that made it possible for me to really quickly start forward and then whip all the way back. Now the fourth one, we're just running beside the subject. So this one's really cool because we're getting tons of foreground here and it just looks awesome because you're really focused on the subject and then you have everything else moving around Sarah. So she's staying in the same spot and then you got the trees passing by. And I think that just creates a really cool use of a gimbal. Now this last one was really fun and we did a beside above beside. And this was cool because we were able to see the detail in Sarah's hand going by, show that her entire head, and then go back down and then cut to a different scene of her walking away. And this just keeps value, right? Keeps entertainment, keeps different perspectives because someone's not looking like that normally. And that's all you really want to do with your gimbal, right? You want to be creative and you want to create a different perspective utilizing the stabilization. And that's kind of what I wanted to do in this video. I wanted to show you some different perspectives and kind of take parts of this video and put it into your own unique way. And then that's really going to make you a more creative person, make your videos better, and learn to use ND filters. And just sometimes a lower aperture is better than a high-end glass. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to help you out just like I would my brother. I'll see you in the next video.